Start. 158. Madam Chairman, I rise to support the railway budget full stop. At the outset, I congratulate the Honorable Minister for presenting a socio-economic development-oriented budget for the first time by giving concessional and free journey facility by rail to war and police widows, disabled and industrial workers awarded for productivity and technological innovation full stop. This will certainly boost the morale of workers for increasing productivity full stop era. I am not happy at the second class fare increase full stop. Due to financial constraints, the Honorable Minister has been forced to increase the second class rail fare full stop. The second class rail fare should not have been increased and the passengers should have been separate of this increase in second class fare full stop era. The Honorable Minister has announced several measures to modernize and improve the working of the railways full stop. The railways are the lifeline of the nation full stop. Therefore, the railways in India really need upgradation and modernization full stop. We are lagging behind in modern rail facilities when compared to the advanced countries full stop. I am glad that the Honorable Minister has laid emphasis on the modernization of the railways full stop. Adequate funds should be provided to implement modernization programs full stop. The Indian Railways have made distinct improvements during the first 3 years of the 7th plan full stop. The Honorable Minister deserves congratulations for this, but many more works are yet to be undertaken, and I hope with the efficiency and dedication of the ministry as well as with the dynamic minister, the Indian Railways will make further improvements in the remaining years of the 7th plan full stop era. Sir, I thank the Honorable Minister for exempting goods rate hike in respect of certain commodities like fertilizers, food grains, fodder, livestock, pulses, edible oils, salt, etc. full stop. These are the essential commodities of common use full stop. So this exemption will provide a great relief to the common man full stop. Large parts of the country faced an unprecedented drought during 1987 full stop. The railways and ensured massive movement of diesel, food grains and edible oils to the drought affected areas full stop. The truck restoration work in the northeastern parts of the country after the flood was also commendable full stop. Despite all these hurdles, the freight performance of the railways has surpassed the annual target full stop. The credit goes to the employers and workers of the railways for these performances full stop. I thank the Honorable Railway Minister for performing such a challenging task in an extremely efficient and commendable way full stop era. Sir, 64 new trains have been introduced during 1987-88 full stop. The frequency of some existing trains has also been increased full stop. There was a demand to provide track service between capitals of southern states and the national capital Delhi full stop. I am happy to say that superfast express services have been provided between Delhi and capitals of the four southern states Bangalore, Hyderabad, Madras and Trivandrum during 1987-88 full stop. The minister has given a list of some new trains proposed to be introduced from 1st May 1988 full stop era. Now, I would like to say a word about computerization of passenger reservation full stop. The government have taken steps in this respect full stop, but it is limited to Delhi and a few metropolitan cities full stop. I am glad to learn that computerized passengers reservation facility is going to be introduced at some other cities like Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Lucknow and Hyderabad full stop. I urge upon the government to extend such a facility to Mysore also full stop era. I would like to say a few words about my state of Karnataka full stop. Karnataka is very deficient on broad gauge compared to other states in the south full stop. Therefore, I would like to press for a more rapid conversion of the trunk routes in that states into broad gauge full stop. There is reluctance on the part of the trade and industry to expand their industrial establishment and trade full stop. The broad gauge would provide them uninterrupted rail transit for their raw materials and finished goods full stop. The conversion of Bangalore-Mysore railway line into broad gauge was sanctioned during 1979 full stop. The estimated cost of the project was rupees 26 crores full stop. Now it has further gone up full stop. The amount spent on the project is about 6 crores of rupees only full stop. The budget provision made for this project in 1985-86 and 1986-87 was very inadequate full stop. Therefore, I would like the request the Honorable Minister to provide sufficient funds for this conversion project so that it can be completed by the end of the 7th plan full stop. I would like to say here that the people of Karnataka feel neglected as adequate funds are not allocated to the various projects full stop era. The people of Karnataka have been demanding for a separate southwestern railway zone. Recently, there was an agitation over this issue full stop era. This is a genuine demand of the people of Karnataka which they have been pressing for long full stop. The government of India should take immediate steps to set up a separate southwestern railway zone with Bangalore as its headquarters full stop overall.